What did I get myself into? Somebody told me today that millimeters are better by the 1,000, and I have to agree. So here's a caliper. Centimeters are stupid. So you don't say 24 centimeters. You say 241.6. So you go 241.6. You don't even bother with centimeters. 241.6. That's it. That's all. I need to attach this to here. And then I also need to drill some holes here. So how am I going to do it? So I got this scale. The scale is larger than the turret. So I'm going to leave space so I can actually adjust these screws. That's going to go on here. I'm going to try to, well, I will center it. It will be centered. And then up here, I'm going to drill the holes for this to line up. Then I'll cut a piece of sheet metal and some spacers, sandwich, and get that to move as one. So this will be on the backstroke. But I guess there's got to be a way to flip that scale around in the software. The other thing I can do is probably just flip the... No, if I flip the read head, it'll go a different way. So the other way I could do it is this. Right? And that attaches directly to the scale. With this piece of metal, what I would have to do is like mill out each one of these things as a part of this. But then the chips and stuff fly into here. So you always want to point it away from the shmoo. So that's what I have decided to attempt to do. The setup here was a real mystery. So it's just a bunch of weight. This is held captive in by the nut underneath. I just put a piece of scrap to protect my fantastic orange finish. And what I'm going to do is, you got to watch out for these screws. So I'm going to do somewhere here, one in the middle maybe, and then that'll overhang. So I've set this up. Oh, stupid me. The center of this drill, it may not be perfectly centered on here. Well, you win some, you lose the rest. This is on 1, 2, 3 blocks, but I have these little clamps and it's just holding it down this way. There's a bunch of weight on it. It's not going anywhere. Should be fun.